Hello guys! So it's me. Welcome back to my video. So I'm gonna be sharing to you about something that puts in my mind. Iniisip ko kasi, so Monday ngayon. So sabi ko, Lord, ano ba pwede kong i-share that can add value to people? Or that can remind them that they are valuable. Sabi ko, may yung related sa Monday. Kasi mahilig kami mag-ganon, diba? Yung magmili ng word na katunog ng Monday. Ang naisip ko, Monday. As in, M-A-N. Parang bumalik lang ako sa unang book ng Bible. How God created everything. Especially man. No? How God created you. A man is created by His image and likeness. Kung this time, iniisip mo that you are nothing, you are not beautiful, you are not worth it. Bako, Lord, Monday ngayon. Araw ng mga man. Ano? So, lagi kasing nating naririnig na Monday na naman, papasok na naman sa trabaho. But, for me, this is for us to think about what God has designed for you, for your life. Kasi, ang buhay ng tao, dinesign yan ng Panginoon na tagapangalaga ng kung ano yung ginawa ng Lord. Kasi God provided everything na diba? Before the man was created. Pinag-isipan ng Lord yung langit at lupa, yung araw at buwan, tama, yung dagat at land, yung mga puno na pwede nating kainin, yung mga hayop, and even God entrusted Adam na pangalanan yung mga hayop na kinreate ng Lord. That's the assignment of Adam in the Garden of Eden. What's in it for us? Maybe this is a very challenging moment for you na iniisip mo baka kasi wala ka ng kwenta. But no, diba? Siguro ang sasabihin ko lang sa'yo is go back to the Word of God. Go back to how God sees you. No, not go or dwell dun sa kung ano yung iniisip mo sa sarili mo at kung ano yung pinapaisip sa'yo ng mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo kung ano ka. No? So, don't dwell. Let's not dwell in that. Kasi pag nag-dwell tayo doon sa mga words na yon, possible, mag-stop ka. Maging stagnant ka. Wala kang gawin. Isipin mo na lang yun. Mag-self-pity ka na lang. So, yun yung ayaw nating mangyari. Kaya for this time, happy Monday everyone. May your mind and your heart be filled kung ano yung original design mo as a man. Though iba yung pag-create ng man sa women, pero ayun, focus tayo dun na man, pares pa rin naman tayo tao, 'di ba? So we are created in the image and likeness of God. Pero yung man kasi, a man is created in the image and likeness of God kasi siya yung naunang kinreate ng Lord. And we, women, are created as suitable helpers for the man. No, it's not good for the man to be alone. Kaya andito kami. Andito kami na financial advisors nyo to help you achieve your financial stability and financial security. So, ayun. Yun lang guys. Happy Monday and I hope na maging reminder to sa inyo or ma-realize nyo that you are worth it. No, hindi ka nabuhay kasi nabuhay ka lang. What is important is what is the purpose why you live on this earth, right? So focus tayo doon sa purpose ng Lord. So yun guys, siguro encouragement ko na lang din to para sa sarili ko for whatever things na nasa isip ko. So maybe hindi lang ako yung nag-struggle for now, baka kayo rin. So yun, kailangan natin ng encouragement on one another kasi nga 'di ba, as iron sharpens iron, ganun din ang tao, no? So we as human beings, we need to be encouraged and at the same time we have to encourage people, diba? Kaya kung ano yung pinagdadaanan mo, share mo lang yan at yung learnings, of course, no? Wag mong i-share yan para lang i-rant na ito kasi yung nararamdaman ko. No. Diba, lahat tayo may pinagdadaanan, hindi lang ikaw. Pero yun nga. So, I hope nang napakinggan mo tong sinasabi ko sa'yo ngayon, I hope you are being reminded that you are fearfully and wonderfully made by God. You are created in the image and likeness of God. So, huwag na tayong malungkot. Let's be hopeful, joyful in every trial. So, kaya natin to, guys. So, yun lang. At ako'y mag-aasikaso na dahil ako'y may pasok. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day and happy Monday!